We've just bought our new Singapore transit passes. Yay! Because we're planning to come back more often in the future. So we thought we'd get the rechargeable card rather than just the tourist pass, which may or may not work out cheaper in the long run. But hey, we're coming back. It's currently Tuesday morning, and on Friday we leave for Singapore. We've got our to-do list sticky noted to the wall behind me here. Step 1, confirm our details with the airline and make sure Pete has a gluten-free meal. Make sure Hobbs doesn't feel neglected by buying his important kibbles and his very favourite tuna. Make sure I've got the right medicines to take away with me. Somehow it's already Wednesday morning, actually Thursday, but we have managed to reduce the to-do lists, and also last night and this morning we did manage to do some packing. So we're mostly ready, I think, to zip up and go there. Good morning, it's Friday. What are we doing today, Pete?
We're catching the plane to Singapore!
Hey!
And what time did you get up this morning?
I got up at 7:30.
Yes.
What time did you get up?
About 3, and I couldn't get back to sleep, so I did some things, and then I came back to bed thinking I wouldn't sleep, and then I did.
Woo!
That sounds so much like a morning conversation, doesn't it?
Doesn't
No
it?
sense.
We need these documents. Nothing on the to-do list. Tickets, money, passport.
Don't forget me!
And a huge selection of snacks for Hobbsy's Uncle Ives, who's coming to hang out with him for the next couple of weeks while we're in Singapore. Over the next 2 weeks, we will be seeing the sights, inhaling aromas, touching textures, hearing what's there, and tasting the world of flavour that Singapore has to offer. Subscribe to join us on our journey.